So how do you add the phone number to Yahoo Mail? So let me show you how you can do this. And if you're new on Foxtecc, subscribe so you never miss anything important. So it might kind of depend on where you're signed in with the Yahoo Mail, because obviously if you're using the built-in Apple Mail, we don't really have the ability to go to the settings in here. But for a lot of people, they use the official Yahoo Mail app. And if that's the case, then it's going to be a little bit simpler, because you can get inside the app, make sure you are signed in and that everything loads up as usual, and you can go to your profile in the top left like so and go to your settings, and there are plenty of ways you can customize it, but seemingly the phone number or something about yourself is not in here. So you need to click on your account there as such, so you should be able to get there. It's part of the manage accounts, right? And then you can click on your account. So as you can tell, Foxtecc tutorials, that's my account. I'm going to click on it once again. And this is the page which I'm talking about. And I just have to proceed to some of the other menus, but the one I want to go to is the security right there. So it asks me to either scan my face if you have that enabled, or just type in your regular code, and then you can get inside. And as you can tell, I have things like the password, which I can change in here, the passkey, notifications, two-step verification, and also the phone number. So you can click on the phone number and then tap on add a new one, or delete the existing one and make the changes in here if you need to. So it's pretty simple to do it this way, and as you can see, it can be done through the Yahoo Mail app and not through the other mail app. So as I said, if you use it within the Gmail app or Apple Mail, then you will not be able to get to this settings page. So I hope it helps. Let me know your thoughts and opinions about it below. I'm gonna wrap it up, and I'll see you later in future videos.